wish there was some sort of a feature in these portable pumps where you would set that you want 35, you just flip the switch, and it would just turn off automatically. TSAP 2018. Okay, so here's your bar, KPA, your kilograms per centimeter. Oui, salut, there probably. And here's your PSI. Compressor. 3 valve adapters. It will sit nicely in your trunk or underneath your seat. One thing that I don't like about this is I unplugged it from the lighter, the thing stopped working. For the latest coupons, pricing, look in the description. Today we've got a Tsumbay car air pump, TSAP 2018. I believe this guy is about 30 bucks in the States. For the latest coupons, pricing, look in the description. Let's get into this. This is what it looks like. I don't understand why it's so thick. Oh, because it's in various languages. Oui, salut, there probably. Tragbare Luftkompressor. There's an air cock. There's 3 of them in here, because they're different types, and there's one backup fuse. I'm gonna do a slow-mo for you. They also provided you with 3 valve adapters. You put them in your storage case. They go with you anywhere you go. So let's plug this into our cigarette lighter. There's 2 switches. One, well, oh, that's the light. It's alright, I mean, it's not that bright. Okay, so here's your bar, KPA, your kilograms per centimeter, and here's your PSI. I wish there was some sort of a feature in these portable pumps where you would set that you want 35, you just flip the switch, and it would just turn off automatically. Otherwise, you have to sit there and you have to patiently wait till the tire or whatever thing inflates, which is kind of annoying. So the really neat thing is you can set how much you would like. It will automatically shut off once it reaches that dial. TSAP 2018. That holds your attachments. You lift this up and then you stick this over your tire, and then you press this down. You just turn on the device. It does not support LT and HT and truck tires. The device is designed for 12 volt DC only. Do not support 24 volt, 35 volt, 110 volt, or 220 volt. One thing that I don't like about this is I'm gonna turn this on. I'm plugging it. See, I unplugged it from the lighter. The thing stopped working. Can they truly call this portable? No. Portable to me is that I could charge it. It would have a lithium battery. When I plug it into the cigarette port lighter, it will stop using the battery and start using the car battery. Otherwise, how am I supposed to charge anything if my car is not around? I can't. We're gonna fold this guy up, stick this into the bag, and zip it up. It will sit nicely in your trunk or underneath your seat. Here's the pump, here's the bag, the real thing's inside. Thank you guys so much for watching. This is Tsumbay. Marcin, out.